Hi, I'm back again. When you see Principal's diary, you will find on a particular day planning workshops. Principals must, at least in a week, think about organizing workshop for their staff members of all the concern areas, of all the improvements, of all the challenges. For staff enrichment, workshops must be planned on a very regular basis. As per latest national education policy, 50 hours of continuous and professional development is mandatory for all the teachers of the country. Now these teachers can be in primary school, in CBSE school, in IB school, in IGCSE school, UP board school, Bihar board school, Tamil Nadu board school, Karnataka board school. Anywhere, or a kindergarten school. Anywhere you're teaching, 50 hours of continuous and professional development in a year is mandatory. cpdonline.in is a website free for the teachers where this 50 hours workshop and the certificate can be taken by all the teachers. This was just in between. For your knowledge, in an IBO school, a teacher or a school spends approximately 3 lakh rupees per year on his or her training. In an IGCSE Cambridge school, the training cost is approximately a lakh of rupees per year. Is your school spending some money for the enrichment, for the empowerment, for the training of your teachers? If not, then according to the national education policy, according to the latest requirement, the changes which are happening, you are supposed to spend 5 to 8 or 10,000 rupees per teacher on training itself. If you don't provide training, if you don't provide workshop, if you don't weekly review your workshop as per principal's diary task, probably you're missing out something. Workshops are not just meant for academics, but workshops are meant for co-curricular, workshops are meant for sports, workshops are meant for maybe your support staff. I'll give you some examples of the workshop. Sports coaches training, for the lesson plans, for the curriculum development. Sports coaches training, for the skill development, for the teaching, for the teacher to impart skill development or, ensure that teachers develop the skills of the students. So this is a beautiful workshop which can be done. cpdonline.in has got a section sports, where for all the sports training videos are provided. Training videos means how to develop the skills in the students. For example, in a badminton, if there is a toss from one end to another, that's a skill, the toss skill which is getting developed. In football, there's a dribbling technique. In basketball, there's a dribbling technique. So the skill set must be developed in the students at a very early stage, and for that a workshop for the sports teachers must be organized. The receptionist, yes, you can call a hotel management college, a professor from a hotel management college nearby, and train your receptionist how to handle, how to treat, how to greet parents. And it becomes a very important workshop for the receptionist or the front office staff. Support staff, you have a lot of ayahs, you have sweepers, you have people those who clean. Have you given a training to them? If you call a hotel management person who gives a training to those people, can you imagine the kind of maintenance you're going to have of your school? Have you visited a 5-star hotel? How clean they are, how well they clean the floor, how well they mop the floor. It's always shining, and that is because of the training being provided to them. Have you ever given a training to your staff? So you can call up hotel management people, they can come and train your staff. Workshop is again very important. Yes, subject training is very important, undoubtedly, yes. Physics, chemistry, economics, accounts, commerce, biology. So you can call subject experts those who can come and train. There are people, those who know Vedic mathematics, there are people, those who know mental mathematics, they can come and train your mathematics teachers. There are people with beautiful knowledge, like you can call sometimes from IIT, who can come and train your students on higher order thinking skills. How to develop questions for examination. This is again another workshop which can be done. For a kindergarten teachers, how to teach via Montessori method. How to, how you can train, how you can teach rhymes. How you can develop the skills amongst your students. And even in the kindergarten, school, your kindergarten teachers must be trained very well, and workshops have to be organized for them. You can ask a professional who can come and teach you MUN. Your teachers MUN, Model United Nations. So you can conduct a MUN in your school. You can call one of your friend teachers from your friend teacher's school. You can call a music teacher or dance teacher who can come and train how to have a synergy amongst 40 students participating at one time. Some schools are extremely good. The teachers are extremely good. So you can call their teachers to come and train your teachers. The latest is 21st century learning. So 21st century learning skills. A workshop must be conducted. On STEM, the latest is science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So STEM training can be organized. Artificial intelligence, not just for the AI teacher or the IT teacher, but for all staff members. AI is going to be tomorrow. It's going to be tomorrow's best thing. So why not train all the teachers? Then they start talking in that way. How to organize a summer camp? Yes, a workshop can be conducted for that too. How to brand your school? How teachers must promote your school? A branding workshop can be done in your school. A workshop can be on multiple intelligence. A workshop can be on teachers' assessment. Kim Marshall has created a teacher evaluation form of 6 pages or 6 rubrics are there on various areas. Have you ever tried? So a workshop on teacher assessment can also be done. A workshop on rubrics. Are your teachers making rubrics? So how to make a rubric? A workshop can be on that. A workshop can be on getting admissions or admission strategies, which can be adapted in your school. Workshop can be on budgeting and accounting by accounts people. Workshop can be on book reading. And the book reading doesn't necessarily mean that only librarian is going to attend that workshop. No. Every teacher can motivate. Each and every teacher can motivate a student to start reading the books. And I'm sure you know, a great leader is always a great reader. If you have read 100 books in your life, then you're a great thinker. So making reading or making your students to read, all the teachers must be trained in the reading part. These workshops are sometimes not going to be costly. But you need to ensure that these workshops are organized regularly. Presently, during the COVID times, Zoom is the best medium. You can ask your friend principal. You can ask your friend principal to send a subject expert on Zoom or physical. You can ask a professional. You can ask an administrative officer of your city. You can ask an army officer. You can ask doctors to come. I know a few doctors. I know Dr. Rakesh Aaron, I'm just naming him. He's a doctor as a profession. But I was discussing with him and I was surprised and amazed. He was thoroughly clear about the higher order thinking skills. You can call some wonderful doctors from your city who can come and conduct the workshop, and they will be readily, happily doing it. Now, workshops are not just meant for the teachers. Workshops are meant for the students too. They need career counseling workshop. Student needs NTSE workshop. Students need stream selection workshop. Student needs sports coaching workshop. They need personality development workshop. They need motivational workshop. They need life skills workshop. Dr. Jitendra Nagpal conducts wonderful sessions to create peer educators in your school in life skills. Calls some extremely good people to conduct workshops. And there are a host of other things. I'll give you one reference once again, cpdonline.in. Just go to cpdonline.in and go to CPD section. Join a course and you will find list of approximately, maybe 150 to 200 topics of workshops. The teachers can do it from there and earn a certificate of 50 hours. Or alternatively, you can see the topics and at least call some people from outside to conduct a workshop on those areas. Not necessarily that you have to use cpdonline.in. If you want to use it, if you find it good, use it. But if you don't find it good, then probably go to some other website, find out the workshop areas and do it. But these workshops for the students and teachers as well are very, very important. And once in a week, as per principal diary task, you have to review and see which workshops are going to be coming in next week. And I'm sure your school is going to be the best after reviewing, after taking the workshops. I am 100% sure your school is going to be the best. Thank you. Have a great day. I'm sure this session is extremely beneficial for creating workshops. Thank you very much.